What's up, El Segundo, and welcome to the El Segundo Fire Department's open house at Station 1. Today, you'll get a VIP, unrestricted, all-access backstage pass to the greatest firehouse on earth. Also today, we've got food, we've got music, activities for the kids, and a bunch more. So let's take a look around and find out what makes a firehouse a firehouse. We talked with Captain Donald Dennis, who told us about today's big event and a bit about the department as well.
It's an annual event that we host for the public, and it's a way for us to just kind of demonstrate what we do and why we're here. And we try to make it a little extra special, considering this is a family-centric community. We have 2 fire stations, so with that we have 2 fire engines, 2 paramedic ambulances, 1 fire truck that has the big 100-foot ladder on it. And then we also have a battalion chief that has their own Suburban. And then we have 2 specialized vehicles for different technical expertise. One is called USAR and the other one is called REMS. We run anywhere between 5 to 12 calls a day. Our motto is courtesy and service, and it's written on all the sides of the fire engines.
We talked with some locals who told us why they came out for today's open house.
Yes, this is my first time visiting a firehouse. I always wanted to visit one when I was a little kid. Never had the opportunity, but I drove by, saw the sign, and we wanted to come in and enjoy it with the family.
My son, my husband, and I, we've never been to a fire station before, so we wanted to come, take a look, and see how everything works, and we just wanted to have a good time.
Well, we've actually never got to do an inside tour. We've only gotten to see the fire trucks from the outside, so getting a tour inside, seeing the kitchen, the rec room was really interesting.
Same, yeah, it was just really exciting to explore the firehouse for the first time, and we've actually been really impressed at how well clean and organized the fireman keeps the firehouse.
Well, we just moved here 2 months ago, and we love fire trucks, and we're so excited that this was a few minutes away, and we're having the best time. We've had hot dogs, we've done a bounce house, we're about to have cotton candy. It's been a great day. We love it here.
An open house at a fire station demands some hard-hitting, investigative questions. For example, where's the fire pole, the station mascot, and what time is supper?
There's the fire poles at Station 2 because it's 2 stories. No Dalmatian, but we could have a lab in our future. And chow's always at 6.
Before we go, if there's a softball game between the El Segundo Fire Department and the El Segundo Police Department, who would win?
100% of the time the fire department wins it, and it's usually a shutout.
Finally, we asked Captain Dennis for his thoughts on a career as a firefighter.
Well, it's anybody that's interested in a service-related job, this obviously makes sense. We're looking for people that have an education, that are aspiring to be part of a team, and that look to make a difference in the community.
The El Segundo Fire Department's open house was a huge success, and everybody had a great time. And if you have one of these, you're pretty much an authentic pretend firefighter. And I've got one. For El Segundo Media, I'm Bill Thomas.